I'm meteorologist Marielle Ruiz. It is Tuesday, January 7th. Thursday and Friday are WFAA weather alert days, specifically Thursday morning through Friday morning. This is due to the impact of snow accumulating anywhere between 3 to 6 inches. This is what you need to do as of now. Prepare for hazardous travel as we are expecting slick and snow-covered roads, and you want to pay attention to the forecast. This will likely be fine-tuned here in the next few days as more data keeps coming in. Here's what we know now, though. We have a winter weather alert, a winter storm watch in place, including Johnson, Ellis County to the north, including DFW. And this is because of the 3 to 6 inches of snow that could accumulate, specifically north of Interstate 20. But this won't all be snow. We could see some sleet being mixed in with snow, especially south of Interstate 20, south of DFW. This is where snow totals will be lowered because of that sleet mixing in, but accumulations up to 1 inch will be possible. This is just south in southern Ellis County, just south of Johnson County towards Hill, Navarro County. Everywhere else, we are expecting mostly snow. I'm not going to say that it won't be mixing in with sleet, but mostly snow between 3 to 5 inches, including DFW, with higher totals north of DFW towards the Red River, up to 6 inches possible. Again, this will mostly happen Thursday going into Friday morning. Here is what is going to really be the big determining factor. The area of low pressure currently over the Four Corners. That's our winter storm. It's tapping into Pacific moisture, helping that plume of moisture come into North Texas. Now, the current track still has it favorable for winter weather in North Texas, but any slight shift to the north or any slowdown of this area of low pressure could bring in warmer air, and that would mean less snow for us. So that's what we're watching here in the next 24 hours. Even 1 degree difference can make a difference in terms of if we're expecting sleet or snow. I'm not expecting freezing rain. That is at least a silver lining. Here's what we're thinking right now. If you're south of Hill County, closer towards central Texas, mostly rain. If you are north of that, mostly snow. But there is a transition zone in between those, and that's where we expect the winter mix. That's a combination of snow, sleet, and maybe even rain. That's where accumulations will be lower. But north of that, accumulations of 3 to 6 inches will be possible. At least right now, that's what the forecast looks like. Here's a look at the timing. This is Wednesday night around midnight. We start to see some flurries along our western counties. Closer to sunrise on Thursday, we'll see a few more flurries for areas along the I-35 corridor, including Tarrant County. With that pink there, that's the mix. Keep that in mind, south of DFW. As we progress throughout the morning, you see more of that snow starting to become higher in coverage. This is around 9. Still, the mix staying south of DFW. Snow generally north of Interstate 20. That's now around noon. And look what happens in the afternoon. This particular model keeps that snow coming in over DFW and over a big portion of northeastern North Texas, with, again, the mix generally staying towards the south, rain into central Texas. That's now showing you going into Thursday night. Into Friday morning, it tapers off from west to east. Now, at this point in time, my data that is high resolution runs out. So I'm going to switch models here. I'm going to take our to the European model. It still has some of that snow lingering a bit longer in the day on Friday morning, but even then, by mid-morning, it does look like it clears out. Here is again a look at the potential snow forecast for us. Sleet and snow combo, less than 1 inch south of DFW, 3 to 5 inches possible anywhere north of that. And again, the higher totals likely will be to the northwest and to the north of DFW. So again, we will have more updates on WFAA Plus, our streaming platform. You can always check us out there, and we have lots of articles on WFAA.com about the upcoming winter storm.